Yeah, I'm Alex Pavelka, and I took the internship class this semester, and I was working for Tegeta Scientific Incorporated, it's called. You can see the logo up there, but yeah. This tells you a little bit about Tegeta and what my role is there. Tegeta does the security infrastructure and network production for Naval Postgraduate School. They're working on some other contracts for the government mostly. They just recently got a contract with a mortgage firm, so that has about 5 branches. So we're expanding. I am, for myself, they also take care of a waste management company, and so I did the frontline security for the waste management company, and all the things mostly were training me with the different tools and stuff that you'd use while doing that. Yeah, as I was saying, my first project for the most part was that waste management company. I just went through, they kind of talked to me about what to look for when looking for, like security anomalies, and how to use the different tools, how to set up the different tools. I got to just kind of like make my own lab with setting up a hub with a laptop and running IP audit I did it on my own network, and for a little bit anyway. It slowed it down a lot, but and yeah, just IP audit basically just shows all the incoming and outgoing connections, and you can use the search to kind of like figure out what exactly you want to look at. And so yeah, there's a lot of that. Bandwidth D is mostly just for looking at the different bandwidth usage, and Nagios is for kind of mapping out the network and just network management. Tells you what's up and what's not. So, and yeah. Oh, and using all those, I monitored the network and made my own report and published it on their wiki, so that they can use it to look at later. And the next thing I did was, after we got this contract with Treehouse, I was helping them kind of redesign the whole infrastructure, just going through and trying to figure out what's working and what's not, because they had a company that wasn't doing a very good job of taking care of them before. So we went back and we ended up, they had to buy some new devices, and we had to completely redo others, and it was kind of a mess, but we got pretty much everything cleaned up, and we're kind of working on the smaller stuff now, like getting new computers for people that need them and all that. Yeah, a lot of this was just good experience in actually getting to be out there in the like work environment and getting to actually work on these devices, because the other thing I did with the waste management was all remotely done, and so it was still useful, but it's nice to be able to get out there and actually like get on the computers and work with them and see what really is going to happen. For the future, I will be continuing my employment there. I'll be working 40 hours a week starting, I guess, a couple weeks from now, right after finals. And yeah, they're planning on getting me certified with Security Plus. I've been studying for that, and they're going to pay for the certification. And as soon as I get that, I'll qualify for quite a few government contracts, and they have some in mind for me to be doing. So, yep. And that was it.